Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're learning and enjoying my videos. But don't forget, subscribe me, like my videos. Let's come on today's lesson. That is letter L. So let's start. Friends, letter L sounds L. Me, L. Do you know? Letter L is a sky letter because it starts from flying. Okay. Now it's story time. Let's listen. We lick our lollipop. We lick our lollipop. We lick our lollipop. It's so much fun. Yes. Now it's time for let's learn some animals from letter L. The lion. I am a king. King lion. La lobster. La lamb. La lizard. Crawling, 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 little ladybug. Fly, fly, fly. And ladybug is so cute. Now learn some vocabulary words from leaves. So many green leaves. The lava is too hot and scary. The lemon, it's so sour. The letter. Lollipop, sweet, yummy lollipop. Lollipop. The lamp, turn on, turn off. Now it's your turn. Think. Some new words from letter L. Thanks for watching my videos. It's so much fun today and learning is so much fun. But don't forget to subscribe me, like my videos, give me good comment and share to others. See you later. Bye bye.